I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up alerts for your Barclays transactions, follow these simple steps to stay informed about your account activity. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Start by visiting the Barclays website and logging into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Alerts section. Once logged in, look for the Alerts or Notifications section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your alert preferences. Step 3. Choose alert types. Select the types of alerts you want to receive, such as transaction alerts, balance updates, or payment reminders. Make sure to check all relevant options. Step 4. Set your preferences. Customize how you want to receive these alerts via email, SMS, or push notifications. Be sure to enter the correct contact information. Step 5. Save your changes. After setting your preferences, don't forget to save your changes. You might see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts have been successfully set up. If you miss saving your changes, you won't receive any alerts at all. Double check that you see the confirmation message before you log out. Now you're all set to receive alerts on your Barclays transactions. Stay informed and enjoy peace of mind knowing you will be updated on your account activity.